All right, are the parties ready on Amanda Lynn Castro?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you again for letting us come this
Oh, no
morning. I
problem.
appreciate it.
All right, come on down.
Trying to, but
That's okay. I was like, where is
I'm
she?
sorry. 9:05 is good. 9:07 is really good for me. I
Right.
had to take my dog to daycare. You
Oh,
know how that goes.
Yes. And then it's hard to see them leave, right?
He runs away from me. Like the minute we drive up on the curb, he actually jumps off the car.
Is it the doggy daycare that's right downtown?
A good dog at Pearl, so right on Grayson and like
Okay.
Euclid. He loves it.
Oh.
They're so wonderful.
There's something I saw, and I don't think it's in this state. They actually have a school bus. You can pick the dogs up.
Stop it.
And so the dogs are just like, shaking to get on the bus,
I'm gonna
and they
ask
clip them in,
Yeah.
and then they just drive them to the location.
See, that's nice.
So, yeah.
I would-
And now they have this thing where instead of taking your dog to doggy daycare someplace, they supposedly have an app where you can go on the app and somebody will actually pick up your dog and they'll be in their home,
Oh, that's nice.
which
Well,
are probably is great for people who want dogs but don't really have time. It's like, oh, I can have a dog for a weekend.
That's really nice. Like almost like a cat cafe, but like a dog, like rental. I like that. That's actually nice.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012496, State versus Amanda Lynn Castro. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Lauren Lefton for Miss Castro.
And are you Amanda Lynn Castro?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Castro, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Castro, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 75 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There are no applications and there's a $60 restitution to the lab for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conscience.
State any evidence?
The state offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments, Your Honor.
All right. Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, we just ask that you follow the plea agreement.
All right. Who is David Angel Solomon to you?
Nothing.
Well, I mean, that's the person you were arrested with.
Yes, Your Honor. At the time, he was my boyfriend,
Mhm.
and we no longer. I have.
Have you seen him since the day of this offense?
No, no.
All right. Do you have any family support?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any children?
Not in my care.
How many children?
Right.
5. And what are their ages?
19, 18, 14, 15, and soon to be 13.
All right. So here's the thing. How long have you been in jail?
Since July 7th.
All right. So since July. And I'm assuming you haven't been using drugs at the jail.
Mhm.
Have you?
No.
All right. So now you're probably clear-headed. You're thinking well. I'm sure the way you looked when you were arrested is completely different today. You appear healthy, aware of everything that's going on. Your eyes are bright, which is great. So this feeling of sobriety that you have now, you need to keep that.
Yes, ma'am.
And you need to internalize what you have lost through your drug use, right? Your children, is that right?
Yes.
So when you're released, you need to go to a sober support home just to start out. And if you can't find one, if you come back to this court when you're released from custody, if I'm on the bench, I will pick up the phone and find a place for you to go because you need to do that, okay?
And just so the court knows, I've spoken with her grandmother and there is a plan in place.
Mhm.
Where do you, the Grace House?
Yes, I
He's gonna-
applied to the Grace House,
Right.
and I'm waiting for response from them.
All right, so here's the thing. Don't go past, what is it, the saying, don't go past go or whatever.
Yeah.
You need to leave straight from the jail. Don't take any side trips. Don't say, I just want to stop at the grocery store for a soda, because who knows who you may meet.
Mhm.
And you need to go straight from the jail to the sober house. And you're going to have to stay on track and stay focused, because if you don't, you're going to end up right back here. And, sometimes I think people need to keep their police reports,
Mhm.
because the way you were living, that wasn't a good way to be living. All right?
Mhm.
You can do this, but you got to want to do it. All right?
Mhm.
All right. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 75 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be $60 restitution to the lab for drug testing. All right, so with regards to your sentence, the only thing I can tell you is my sentence is that you receive 75 days. The jail, they give 2 for 1, 3 for 1. I'm not in charge of that. So the only thing I'm in charge of is if you have 30 days credit at the jail, you get 30 days credit from me.
Okay.
If the jail says you're in general population, you didn't cause any problems, usually they'll give 2 for 1. So that would mean you will have 60 days, but I'm not in charge of that. So you can't write me and say, the jail didn't give me 2 for 1, or the jail didn't give me 3 for 1.
Okay.
All I'm in charge of is the sentence that I've given you, okay?
Okay.
Now, if you feel as though you're not getting credit for day time, that's where you can come to me. But the 2 for 1, 3 for 1, that's completely with the jail. You understand? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. They'll probably, we're off the record, they'll probably release you at midnight. I'm not in charge of their booking process.
And I think she actually has a little more time to do.
Okay.
Before even at a 2-for-1.
No.
So, and I'm gonna work with her grandmother, so hopefully she'll.
All right,
use that.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I approach on a off docket matter real quick? I have a case set on Tuesday, and I've been working with Duffy. It's a pretrial diversion case, so.
Did you have them get the file for me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You mean you have to look at something?
Fair.
No problem.